how to run an EOS level 10 meeting using Asana. If you're watching this video, you're probably just like me and you hate meetings. You hate them with a passion. If that's you, then this video is definitely for you. So you can be more like me because I'm awesome. And there's one type of meeting that I absolutely love and you will too. And that's a level 10 meeting. So keep watching or else. I totally want to make this like a different color.
Why is the rum gone?
If you've never heard of EOS, be prepared for your world to be turned upside down in a good way. But that's not gonna happen in this video. For that, watch this video here or here, wherever it is, I don't know where, to learn more about EOS and have your socks knocked off. For now, here's a quick overview of EOS, followed by lots of goody nutritious mind food about level 10 meetings. EOS, which is short for the Entrepreneurial Operating System, is a super cool business management system to help companies reach their goals using a structured framework. And if you know anything about me, it's that I love frameworks. The whole system focuses on 6 key components: vision, people, data, issues, process, and traction. We'll cover EOS in more detail in a different video, but in this video, we're diving into how to run a level 10 meeting using Asana. Level 10 meetings are a core element of the EOS traction component. They're designed to improve communication, transparency, and accountability. So if you're one of those that doesn't like accountability and likes to hide in all the unnecessary busy work, shame on you! And this video is gonna make you squirm like a wiggly worm. So you might as well just give this video the thumbs down and stop watching. For everyone else, the level 10 follows a specific agenda, so every person on your marketing team, even your crazy ADHD ones, you know who you are, will stay focused on priorities, review progress, address issues, and keep everyone aligned to company goals. If you're new to the level 10 meeting, here's a quick summary of the agenda. And later in the video, I'll go into more detail on each of the sections, or another video if I get too long-winded on this one. And why would I need to keep this video short? It's all your fault, you ADHD brains with your short attention spans that force YouTube's algorithm to reward short videos over high quality content. I really wish this was alcohol. So 5-minute segue, you share a professional and personal win to start the meeting on a positive note, even if you're a sourpuss. Can I say sourpuss? 5-minute scorecard review, a discussion of key metrics and progress towards company goals so you feel like a champ or take the L like a total chump. Then there's a 5-minute rock review, a review of quarterly priorities or rocks and updates on their progress to reinforce the champion or the failure feeling, or counterbalance how you felt in the last 5 minutes. Then the 5-minute customer employee headlines, sharing good news, bad news, updates, and feedback, as well as discussing areas for improvement. This is the favorite 5 minutes for all the chismosas out there. That's gonna be funny for Spanish speakers. 5-minute to-do list review, a review of tasks from the previous week, holding team members accountable for their responsibilities. Are you a doer or a wanna do? I just made that up. Copyright 2023. Finally, you got 60 minutes of IDSing, which stands for Identify, Discuss, and Solve. Identifying and prioritizing issues, discussing potential solutions, and assigning action items to resolve them. If you like drama, this is your favorite part of the meeting. And then you move on to a 5-minute wrap-up, reviewing any cascading messages, newly created tasks, and giving the meeting a score between utter failure and 10. For the cynical types, you call this micromanaging in disguise. Now that we've explained at speed dating speed what a level 10 meeting is, let's try and do an even faster explanation of what Asana is and why you're gonna like using it for running level 10 meetings. For those that are unfamiliar with Asana and you're in marketing, you're living under a rock. And your first marketing designs were probably hieroglyphics, but we don't want to be labeled as ageist, so here's a rundown of Asana. Asana is an awesome sauce project management and team collaboration tool that can really help streamline your marketing team's level 10 meetings and make them more efficient. Or if you misuse the tool, you're just going to create greater chaos. So just use it wisely. It's flexible, it's user-friendly compared to other project management and EOS management tools, and you can create custom projects, tasks, and workflows that align with EOS Level 10 meeting framework. By using Asana for your marketing team's Level 10 meetings, you can ensure that your team stays organized, focused, and accountable, ultimately driving progress towards your marketing goals. I feel like I just read an ad for Asana. Feel like I need to go take a shower. That's it. That's the intro to Asana. If you want to learn more about Asana, check out the video in the description. As of this recording, I haven't watched the video that I left in the description, but it had the most views and wasn't too old of a video, so I'm just trusting fellow YouTubers and the YouTube algorithm that the video is worth watching. If it's trash, you can trash talk me in the comments. Key features of Asana that can enhance your marketing team's level 10 meetings. Now that we help bring all the Neanderthals up to modern speed on what is Asana, let's look at specific Asana features. Even if you're just using the free version, that can really get your marketing team's level 10 juices going. Quick side note, this video caters to marketing teams, but you can apply the ideas in this video to different types of teams, not just marketing. In fact, I've been walking leadership, operations, and sales teams through this very same method that I'm sharing with you today. I won't be going over Asana basics in this video, but if you get your Asana account up and running, you should be able to follow along and create your level 10 meeting agenda in Asana, even if you need to pause and rewind a few times. Like that one time I watched the 7-minute video, how I had to change this thermal light couple on a water heater, but it took me over 3 hours, several trips to the home improvement store, and I got a sore back. So hopefully it won't take you 3 hours to set up your level 10 meeting agenda in Asana. Just ask for help or give up your day job if it takes you 3 hours to just get this set up. Here's how Asana and EOS come together. Set up a dedicated Asana project for marketing level 10 meetings with sections within that project that correspond to each agenda item. This provides a clear structure for your meetings and ensures that important information can easily be accessed. You're going to create a section for each of the agenda items of the level 10, even though you may not necessarily use Asana for each one of those sections, as I'll explain in the next part of the video. Also, don't worry about pausing the video here to get a screenshot of the layout, as we'll spend a little bit more time on this screen later on as well. Tasks and subtasks. Tasks and subtasks allow you to break down rocks, action items, short-term issues, and long-term issues into manageable to-dos, allowing your marketing team to track their progress and maintain accountability. Comments and attachments. Within each task and subtask, you can simplify open communication and collaborate among marketing team members by using the comments feature for discussion and feedback. And you can also use it for attaching relevant marketing documents. Some teams prefer to have discussion and feedback in other collaboration tools such as Slack, while others prefer keeping all task-specific communications within the task itself. I've done it both ways, depending on the situation. So for example, for most marketing L10s, a lot of collaboration happens in Slack, while in a sales level 10, the collaboration and updates are happening directly in Asana. Due dates and reminders. Assign due dates to rocks, to-dos, and even issues so that team members can stay on track. Asana can also send automatic email reminders and other notifications to help keep everyone on schedule. Now, Asana offers multiple ways for people to keep track of their junk. I'm sorry, I just keep thinking junk. Asana offers multiple ways for people to keep track of their not junk, but deadlines. So I won't share any specific way in this video. That's the beauty of working with Asana and why I love it so much. Each team member can use their own preferred method of staying organized while still operating within the same ecosystem and framework. You can get Asana emails, okay grandma. Others will integrate with Slack and drown public channels with Asana messages. Some may prefer to just check their My Tasks page in Asana. I should not have stayed up till 3 in the morning.
You had me at hello.
Love it.
But I look good, right guys? I look good. Oh, I haven't shown you guys yet. Bam! That's right. Business in the front, party in the back. The crazy overachievers will do all of the above and then some. And finally, there's the jerks out there who are just gonna dump this on their executive assistant. I'm sorry, Rachel. Sorry, not sorry, because I'm angry with you this week. Custom tags and fields. You can use custom tags to add additional information to marketing tasks such as priority levels, marketing campaign names, or progress status. This helps your marketing team to better understand their tasks and prioritize their work. Frankly, I haven't really used this feature much because I'm not one of those crazy overachievers. I just want to get things done with as little friction as possible. Custom fields is a premium feature that I've never used, so that's not something I can speak intelligently about in this video. I'm not sure what I can speak about intelligently in this video. I'll leave that up to your judgment. So like all the unnecessary dialogue in Zelda Breath of the Wild, or in this video, just skip. Oh no, it's the other one. Skip. Adding other tools to your level 10 meeting tool belt. Before you think that Asana is the end all be all, let's acknowledge the fact that Asana isn't perfect, and that any one size fits all solution only works when the all forces itself into a cookie cutter box or overcomplicates things within a single tool. I'm looking at you, Salesforce, Mark. That's why you'll likely leverage other tools. The tools that I most often use are Google Docs for meeting notes and core values, Google Sheets for scorecards and the vision traction organizer. I use Google Slides if you want to have core values and the VTO look pretty. Congratulations! Fireworks, confetti falling down, party favors going everywhere. You're barely halfway there. But this is the end of this video. Okay, so I originally intended to walk you through how to set up Asana and how to run a level 10 out of Asana into one single video, but this just got too long and my video guy is gonna nag me to tears of the kingdom come if I don't agree to end this here. So blame him, YouTube's algorithm, you crazy ADHDers, and I will see you on the flip side. Oh, and click somewhere around here for part 2 of I don't know how many parts to this video series. Oh shoot, that was perfect. Wait, no, we have to go back.